This is Firehawk FPV Drone Fighter, and I think the best way to explain it is to just get into it. Let's see, roguelike mode, 1 life, permadeath. I don't know about that. Survival mode, time trial, free roam. Let's do survival mode. Pick a map. I think we're going to go machine gun because of the way the guns work. I think high rate of fire works better for me than like precise ones where you have to hold the reticle on the target precisely. You pick a weapon. And you're flying an FPV drone, yes, but, oh, what's this? We've got targets. We've got enemies. Now, you can shoot by pushing a button on your controller, but that's kind of difficult to do. Oh, God, I'm crashing. Oh, God, I'm crashing. Get out of there. So I just use auto fire. I think that's the default, is basically whenever the reticle hits an enemy, you fire. So, we're going to take these guys out, hopefully without dying, and then we can upgrade our drone. See, every time you complete a mission, you upgrade. Flat cannon. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Flat cannon on the right. So you get 2 weapons. And away we go. I'm tempted to change my up tilt, but if you have... Oh, that is flak in the air. So I got to come in from another angle and come in low. If you have high up tilt when you're flying from point to point, then it's really hard to aim when you're actually shooting. You can actually have 2 profiles and switch profiles. Oh boy. Oh, get down, get down, get down. But I haven't figured out how to switch profiles. Try not to hit the ground. Get him, get him. Oh yeah. My lack of precision. This flat cannon is working well with my lack of aiming. Yeah! Oh wait, got more enemies. Okay, press enter to upgrade. Let's see, energy boost. So your weapons have energy. If you use too much energy, you can't shoot, I guess. Do I want another weapon? 5 velocity can be charged. No, I'm not going to be doing charging. Max weapon energy. Max energy boost. I don't actually know what the difference is between energy and weapon energy. Ooh, skip and repair. What's my hit point at? Current drone health 288. Oh, that's... no, I'm going to skip and repair. Yeah, get some health. Where's my energy? Whoa, hey. Oh, drone's in the air. Got him. Got him. Got him. I don't know what the difference is between weapon energy and my energy. I'm sure somewhere this stuff is documented. I don't know where. I didn't read the manual. I just dove in. Oh, get down, get down, get down. Oh boy, get out of there. Get out of there. Why am I not shooting? Oh no, that's bad. Maybe I need... Oh yeah, this flat cannon is working out pretty well. Yeah! How's my health? 321 out of 600. A grenade launcher, anti-material rifle, or health. Let's get some health. Does that do a health up? 621. Yeah, I get a health up too. Oh, hello, friends. Not friends. Okay, we got a convoy on the road. Should be pretty easy to just run them up from behind. Yeah. What? Where are our enemy? I missed one. Hey, buddy. You got separated from the group. It's not going to save you. Okay, what do we got? Heavy machine gun. Oh, yeah. Slower rate of fire. Still okay rate of fire, right? All right, we're going to change the light machine gun for a heavy machine gun. Flat cannon should take these guys out easily. I don't know why some of them are red and some are green. Hacker drone. Oh, that's bad. Where's the hacker? There's the hacker drone. Prioritize hacker drone. He's hacking me. I don't know what happens when you get hacked. Come on, come on. Got him. Okay. What are you? Done. Done. Okay. Upgrade. Minigun. Yes. I'm going to keep the flak. I'm going to go minigun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On one of the previous iterations of this that I played, the minigun was your default starting weapon. Oh, I got a SAM locking on. Surface air missile. Those things will F you up. Yes. High rate of fire. SAM taken out. Oh, what's that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Let's fly through it. Heal activated. Okay, great. Great. Oh, yeah. Oh, this minigun is all right. Come here. Where'd you go? Come here. Where'd you go? How are you still? You took a lot of hits. Ooh, 30% damage boost for 1 minute if you kill 5. Okay. Micro. I don't want to change my weapons. I like my weapon loadout. Let's do a reduce impact damage because I'm crashing into a lot of things. And my health is pretty good. Select. Okay, so you have gadget slots. And then so you have a button to activate the gadgets if they're activated. This is health on kill. Okay. Okay. So they're like, you know, character upgrades, I guess. Okay, here we go. So I can't come in high. Gonna take the SAM out as a priority. I'm crashing. I can't see. Oh. So if you crash and get stuck, you can press enter. I guess it probably costs you something. Take you out, friend. You're not a friend. Oh, yeah. Somebody still shooting me? Okay. What? Somebody's still shooting me. Where are they? Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Anybody left? No. Okay. Upgrade. Boosted for... I don't want to go faster. Regenerative shield. Heck yeah. Gain a shield when you're not hit for 30 seconds. Oh. Well, that doesn't seem likely. Okay. What do we got? Ooh. We're going to drop down here. Oh, it can't shoot me if I'm behind cover. We're going to approach from stealth. We're going to pop up. I can't even see what I'm shooting at. I'm just aiming at the reticle. Ah! Aiming at the... Oh, God. The SAM is still a threat. There we go. Part of the challenge is remembering to actually fly the damn drone and not just try to like put your reticle on the target. Like you have to actually pay attention to the terrain. Homing missiles, energy regen, increase the wind below 30%. Guides missiles to lock onto enemy signatures. Okay, let's change out let's mix things up. We'll change the homing missiles for the flak. Oh, hello. That was not very nice. Where are you? Where are those shots coming from? Didn't seem like that missile did a lot of damage. What's this? What are you? What are you? I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. Okay. Ooh, a shop. Okay, what have I got? I have... How much money do I have? 1866. That's not enough to buy much of anything. It's all the stuff I'm getting from unlocks anyway. Increase damage still. Ooh, that's interesting. Let's just do a repair. Repair. Close and dismiss. Prioritize the SAM. Anyway, the best defense is the good offense, right? You know what the best SAM missile defense is? You blow up the SAM missile turret. Jeep eliminated. Why is my left gun not firing? There we go. Am I running out of energy? I should watch my energy meter a little bit better when I'm engaging enemies. Yeah, see? Energy is emptying real quick. Ooh. Oh, good flying, Bardwell. Where's left? Oh, there we go. Oh, coming right at me. Done. Is he coming up the road? Oh no, I'm crashing. Yeah. There was a, where you were unlocking different drones. Where did that all go? What if I try roguelike mode? Let's try. Oh, yes. Here's what I remember. So this is roguelike mode. You pick a drone. Let's see. Can't edit starting loadout when we start the run. So it's pretty much the same game, but you start with a fixed loadout. You can unlock different loadouts, and then we got a progression tree. See, we can unlock things. You got progression tree to unlock in the roguelike mode. Very cool. All right, so that is Firehawk FPV Drone Fighter. If that looked fun to you, it's available on Steam. It is $16. It's still in development. It's still progressing. But basically, you fly an FPV drone around. You put your reticle on things. You shoot him. It's just a fun little way to kill some time. Yeah, check it out. Link in the video description below. See you in the next one.